This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCVB-TV. We will continue to serve the Boston area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to stations providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Boston area. Do not use your telephone. All telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt your programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WCVB-TV. We will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Boston area. If you are not in the Boston area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay close attention to this alert, as it contains a national crisis that is currently ongoing. At approximately 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there have been several reports of dinosaurs escaping every zoo in the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. These dinosaurs are brutally attacking and killing people in their line of sight. These dinosaurs are described to be the dinosaurs that have been wiped out from the asteroid 20 billion years ago, but having razor-sharp teeth, razor-sharp claws, extreme vision, and having spikes all over their bodies. It is unknown why the dinosaurs escaped, but it could be an unknown terrorist group that released the dinosaurs. As of right now, all residents of the United States are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter. Close and lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, close all fireplace dampers, and seal any cracks on doors or windows with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. Grab essential supplies for your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Do not go outside. If you do, then you will face certain death from the dinosaurs. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information and further updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an emergency action termination. All clear. The dinosaurs that have been terrorizing the United States, attacking and killing people, have been defeated by the military, and all residents can exit their shelters at this time. However, there is massive damage to the United States. The National Guard is unavailable to rescue people from damaged shelters. If your shelter was damaged or destroyed, call 911 and head to the nearest military base. It has been confirmed that there was in fact a terrorist group that released the dinosaurs from several zoos in the United States. All broadcasts and cable systems are allowed to resume regular programming. Emergency broadcasts will now be handed over to state and local officials.